Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Dodge Charger key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Next, find the small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. This process is straightforward and will save you a trip to the dealership. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry the old CR2032 battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Proper disposal of the old battery is important, so consider recycling it. Now it's time to install the new battery. Take your fresh CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one. Ensure the battery is seated firmly and correctly. Then, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them together until you hear a click, indicating it's securely closed. After replacing the battery and reassembling your key fob, it's crucial to test its functionality. Go to your Dodge Charger and try locking and unlocking the doors, and perhaps even starting the car if it has a push-button start. This confirms the new battery is working correctly and your key fob is fully operational. If you're looking for other great deals, like keeping your car smelling fresh with Little Tree's black ice, check the description below for links and more information. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.